Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.
Hello students, I am Ravinder Dahiya and I am from Siva Counselors. And students, in this video I am going to discuss with you those chapters or those contents which are still in your syllabus of English Language and Literature class 10th. Okay, so today we will discuss only those chapters and those contents or those topics which are still in your syllabus, and we are going to face the question answers from those chapters. Okay, so first of all we will discuss about the book First Flight, then we will discuss about Footprints Without a Feet. So in the book First Flight, the chapter 1, A Letter to God, is still in your syllabus. Then chapter 2, Nelson Mandela, A Long Way to Freedom, it is also still in your syllabus. Then third chapters, that is two stories about flying. There are two basic stories in this chapter. This chapter is still in your syllabus. Then the fourth chapter, The Diary of Anne Frank, is still in your syllabus in 2021. Then chapter number 5 and chapter 6, The 100 Dresses Part 1 and Part 2, both chapters are still in your syllabus. Then chapter 7, Glimpses of India, is still in your syllabus. Then chapter 9, Madam Rides the Bus, is still in your syllabus. Then chapter 10, Sermon at Banaras, is still in your syllabus. Then book number 2, Footprints Without Feet. The chapter 1, The Triumph of Surgery, is still in your syllabus. Chapter 2, The Thief's Story, is also still in your syllabus. Chapter 5, Footprints Without Feet. Chapter 3rd and 4th are not in your syllabus for this year. Chapter 5 is still in your syllabus, Footprints Without Feet. The chapter 6, The Making of Scientist, is also in your syllabus for this session. The chapter 7 and chapter 8, The Necklace and Hack Driver, are still in your syllabus for this session. And chapter 9, Boli, is also still in your syllabus for this academic session. If I talk about grammar and composition section, formal letters are in your syllabus. Article writing, or you can say data handling, means you will be provided some data or some facts, and out of those you have to prepare an article. Okay, so this is in your syllabus. Story writing is not in your syllabus for this academic year. Then in grammar, if I talk about, determiners are in your syllabus. Tenses, modals, reported speech, and subject verb concord is in your syllabus. Now I will tell you about the exam pattern, or how many questions you will face in exams and what will be the blueprint of your exam. Let's discuss the blueprint. Okay students, so come to the blueprint of a paper. Paper will be divided into two parts, part A, part B, and both the parts will contain 40 marks each. Okay, in the part A, all the questions will be based on MCQs, maybe objective type questions, very short answer type questions. Answer those questions you may have to give in one word. So paper will be divided according to this pattern. Two unseen passages, 10 into 2 means 20 marks. Unseen passages. Okay, one passage will be discursive and one will be factual. Discursive means all the content of your passage, means suppose you will face 5 paragraphs in a passage. All the 5 paragraphs will be on the basis of different things. And factual means the complete passage will be on the same content. One passage from your prose, okay, that will be of 5 marks. One passage, or you can say one stanza from your poetry, 5 marks. So 10 marks, these 20 and 30. Okay, then 10 multiple choice questions from will be from your grammar section. Yes students, 10 multiple choice question will be from your grammar section. So it means 40 marks will be of your very short answer type questions, MCQs, objective type questions. Then come to part B, 40 marks. Formal letter will be of 5 marks. 100 to 120 words will be the length of that question, that answer. That's one analytical paragraph, you can say article writing. Okay, 5 marks, same 100 to 120 words. Then literature, from the literature side, 4 questions, 4 short answer type questions of 2 marks each. 20 to 30 words will be the answer length. Then 4 questions, short answer type questions, 40 to 50 words will be the answer length. Each question will contain 3 marks. Okay, one long question from First Flight of 5 marks, and one long question from Footprints Without a Feet of 5 marks, and 5 marks question, the answer length will be 100 to 120 words. So students, this is your blueprint of a paper, final exam 2021. I hope you like the video, you understand the concept, and if you like the video, please share this video with your friends and subscribe our channel. Thank you.